I'm going to show you some quick mounting tips on the Summit saddlebags. Summit saddlebags are basically what we would consider a throw over the seat style saddlebag. Designed mainly for bikes with low pipes. Pipes that come down here, street bikes and cruisers and so on. Adventure bikes that have the pipe coming out the back, we do not recommend these because there's no way to prevent the inside panel from resting on the muffler. So the first thing you'll do is set the bags over the seat. What you want to do is keep the width in the bags roughly at the same height as the seat, as you see here, and you can adjust the height by lengthening and shortening the two seat straps. I personally prefer to put them on the seat. It makes them easier to take off, but a lot of people like to put them under the seat, which you can do. Just have to adjust the seat straps accordingly. Now, at the rear of the bag, and I'm just going to twist the stool so you can see it. The rear of the bag, you have two height adjustments for the rear strap. And this rear strap will go around the rear of the bike, under the tail light, the tail section, grab handles, etc. It's very universal. You'll have to look at where you want to place this, and you just want to tighten it down snug. The other thing is, if there is something in the way, you can bias, if you will, the buckle from one side to the other and remove to get the bags on and off. Now, depending on the height of the rear section and so on, you can put the strap either low as you see it here, or you can put it up higher in this fashion. Now at the front of the bag, you have two straps, one on the front of each side. These straps, the front mounting straps, go to the passenger pegs or passenger peg brackets, or even on some bikes there's a small wire hoop on the passenger peg that prevents the passenger's ankle from getting anywhere near the tire, etc. So you can pass the buckle through the passenger peg bracket, or the wire hoop back to the buckle, and allows you to tighten it down like so. Sometimes on various bikes, the opening in the passenger peg bracket, passenger peg, or the ankle hoop is too small to allow the buckle to pass through, so what you can do is simply pull the webbing out, pass it through the bracket, back, and re-thread the buckle from back to front. Now, the other thing is you're going to have excess webbing. Well, you can easily trim that, and if you do, leave about 4 to 6 inch tail so you can grab and tighten. The other thing is all the mounting webbing is replaceable, so if you cut it too short when you change from bike to bike, let's say, you can always get more. We have kits for all the replacement webbing. There are also D-rings on the side. I'll show you this real quick. On the front, or excuse me, on the rear of each bag here, and on the front of each bag. What those are for is if you wanted to grab one of our tail bags, you can attach the bungee hook into the D-ring like so, and do that for all four. So instead of mounting it to the bike, you're going to mount it to the saddlebag. This is a quick idea on how to mount the Summit saddlebags to your motorcycle.